Help scientists in the lab. Alright, let's do this then. Let's help some scientist workers. There's nobody else help. Did we go this way yet?
What we got here?
We're getting money. We got some money. Workbench would be nice right now. Guy's got a lot of alcohol. No wonder shit got out. He got all drunk. I think I've used that joke already once. I'll use it again, because fuck it. Who cares? I don't. Are you done, Frank? Alright. Who else can we talk to? Can we talk to you? You. We got nothing. Oh, we can finally get through this door now. It was you talking. Here, Will.
Let's hope there's something useful.
I didn't want to worry West, but the emergency generator's almost
looks
out
like
of gas.
The guy that
Unfortunately,
from
I have to watch the entrance.
American Gods, the
But I'm
leprechaun,
sure you can handle it.
St. Patrick, or what the hell his name is.
The main fuse of the generator needs to be replaced. You'll find a new fuse in the warehouse right behind the laboratory.
Right.
The generator is located just a little bit farther.
Of course it is.
Don't worry. I'll stay in touch through the camera surveillance system.
Yeah, sure you will. Here, let my ass out to dry. Uh-huh, sure. Just what I needed! Just what I needed! What can we build? What can we upgrade? What do we got going on here? Oh, why not just build up everything? Yeah. Oh, why not? That's 3021. That's 4099. Oh, we're wasting all of our money! Oh. Oh. Wait, we need to switch that out. We need to switch that out. Can we create anything else? Pride rifle mod. If you, sir, carefully follow the instructions provided below, you will turn your rifle into an ass-kicking tool! Sure! Let's get the best. Sure, why not? What's this? Devastating home run mod. Oh, baby. Sounds good. Alright, let's go do our job. Will, get the fuck out of my way, Will. Back up. Will, back up! Will! This little bitch, get out of my way. And there's fast travel, of course. Yay! Everybody respawn out here? Well. Oh. Great. Well, he certainly wasn't there before. Not good. But that's not saying we can't use the car to do it. I'm willing to try. Because I'm an asshole. And I'm just playing the game for fun. Oh yeah, bitches, we can do it. We certainly can do it. Maybe. I didn't think that was possible. Oh shit, get the fuck out of here, dude. Get the hell out of here. Oh, mom, I got killed by the damn, the underlings, and I kicked the shit out of the... I kicked the shit out of Fat Boy. Where did Fat Boy go, by the way? Hello, Fat Boy. He disappeared. He's stuck on my truck? Oh my god, he is! Look at this shit! That's awesome! There's a fat guy in my truck. Where am I going? What am I doing? Alright. Yeah, open up the fucking door, dude. Let's party! Up! Hi, dude. Inside. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. That's right. Keep walking, asshole. Come on, fat fuck. Let's go. He won't come out this way. This is pissing him off now. He actually hit me. I was paying attention. Oh, I'm gonna get hit while I'm getting in the car. Oh, we love this car. We love a car. It's so helpful. Ha! Thank you, fatty. Where's the? Oh, I didn't think he actually. I didn't. You know, I was surprised he actually came out here. I would not have thought he would have done that. Usually they keep to a radius and then they don't come out of that. Yeah, I know there's a guy over there inside that building. But I can't get into! Oh, ways I can get into. Alright, are you kidding me? Pinhead! Look at you! Hello? That hat ain't full of nobody. You're not a rapper. They're eating each other. I don't think they're enemies. I could be wrong. They look like they're eating each other. I can't pick that up now. Shit. I've got too many. I can't pick anything up. Why can't I pick anything up? Uh-oh. There's something outside that door, isn't there? Hi. What do we gotta do? Well, what did you... I thought you wanted me to do something. I guess I gotta go back to the... no. I don't care about that shit. I gotta go warehouse... where am I going? Oh, okay. I'm not there yet. Alright. Why was I getting all fuzzy? Of course we'll use it. Why not? We'll use it, of course. Somebody's awake. Somebody's got some OSA. I sense sleep apnea from some... Oh, hi! Yeah, okay. Whatever, dude. Well, see, somebody got some sleep apnea. It's starting to come back to me, though. This has been... It's been about 6 years since I played this game. Like, this... Where are they coming from? Where are they at? Where are you at? Where is it? Pisses me off because I want to kill him. Ah! Well, how did that happen? Son of a bitch! Shit. I don't know how I blew myself up. I'm a little disappointed in myself for that. In a sense. I think I see them up in the corner there, but I can't tell. Yeah. Oh, there you are. What? That was interesting. I don't know why I'm bothering. I can do that too. I don't know why there were cages here, if they're just testing cosmetics. Whoops! We didn't do so well. I'm not so proud of my... Fuck off, dude! Okay. I wanted to use my rage, but it didn't matter. I don't have enough rage. Oh, that's right. Well, despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. But he was, anyways. How? Where did he get it? There's still some bastards that are... We gotta get into this place somehow. I forget how. Oh, there's just a door. Well, that would be the easiest way to do it, I guess. Really? Oh, fuck. Can you come over here? Up! Oh shit, he can come out here, can't he? Oh, he's out. He's out. Come on, dude. That's not helping any. Oh, he hit me. He clipped me. All right. Oh, that didn't work out very well for you, did it? Ah! Oh, I was standing underneath his foot before he kicked me. Oh, shit. Flip's sake. Alright, are we done with them in there? Is there anything else they're gonna get me? Hi, it re-frickin' spawned. Dude. Not cool. They're killing a lot of fat people. a lot of hate on fat people. It's not cool, man. Oh, come on. Up. Hi. Bodily harm mod. There you go. That's what I like to hear. Fuses. No more fuses. All we need is just a one. And I got a fun fact. Oh, why didn't you assholes get up when I kicked you the first time? He ain't getting up. Yeah, we gotta fix some shit. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Okay.
We hit some kind of animal, and the car careened off the road and down an embankment.
Sure you did.
Trees. The driver, my driver, is badly hurt. I think his leg is broken.
Oh, well, shoot him.
Wait.
Don't tell me.
Something else too. What the fuck is that? Something's coming. God, it's something big.
Something big.
An orangutan. Oh fuck. Jesus Christ. It's infected. It's the animal we hit. It should be dead. What the fuck is that?
Alright, well, why? Oh, okay. Nothing over here that opens. Can't do anything over here. No. This will all be full of dead people when I come back up here. I know that. Back up, bitch! Kick you in the ass! Ah! How the fuck do they got money on them? I don't understand that. Tesla mod, oh, that ought to be good.
Everything is up and running all right. Now get your asses out of there, because the noise has attracted the infected and they're coming from everywhere.
Of course they're...
They're coming from everywhere.
They're coming from everywhere. Well... Just a leisurely stroll back up the hill. I can't run very fast because I decided to pick up the stupid canister for no reason. There's just the one there. Oh, you bitches got up! Got up! Oh shit! What the? All right, you know what? Now I'm getting pissed. I didn't really get to use the thing at all. Fuck off, dude. Well, you can't get to me now. Oh, guess who's still around? He's just rolling down the hill. Well, they can't do anything to me, so I don't care about them. Oh, are you really seriously got hung up on a damn... Alright, are you guys gonna get up now? Oh my! Screw it, I'm out of here. Who cares? That'll just solve that problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Seriously, you
have
just
to
saved
save
us all. Yes.
Hey, if you need shells for the shotgun, please
I don't
help yourself.
have.
Talk to
I
Dr.
think.
West. I think he might have discovered something.
Okay. Power slaves. I can't get them. I will take the drink though, because I need the drink. Oh, excuse me. What next?
What's in here?
What's here? Ah.
I've examined
Elmo's
the
world.
of mystery. You all have the same blood type, O negative, but that might just be a coincidence. For some reason, the virus doesn't react to your T cells the way it does to others. It doesn't mutate, it doesn't duplicate, it just dies.
It
The
just
only possible way
dies.
to make someone else immune would be a complete blood transfusion.
No.
Not a practical solution, as it would likely result in death.
Sure.
Good. Now, this is what I do know. It appears to be a strange mutation of a degenerative neurological disease endemic to this region, Kuru. It's a prion disease like mad cow, only it affects humans, and was first discovered among the indigenous tribes that practiced cannibalism. The infected natives were brought in by their kinfolk, but the kinfolk weren't sick. The question is, why? What's the connection between you and them? Does their blood possess antibodies?
For some reason, why do I feel like I need to do a 23andMe with these people?
Thousands of lives. I heard they left their village and set up camp somewhere nearby. I'm sure they're not far. I need you to find them and convince them to allow you to take
Oh
some
yeah,
blood
because you know they're always really great when outsiders wander into these places and get killed.
I want to take blood samples, but they won't allow it. For you see, blood is sacred to them. I tried to explain, but I'm afraid I offended them.
I can't see how. You seem like a wonderful person.